Knowledge is wisdom. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe and like the video. Who holds the record for the most runs scored in Test cricket? Correct answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Who is the highest wicket taker in Test cricket history? Correct answer is option C, Mudya Muralitharan. Who has scored the most double centuries in Test cricket? Correct answer is option B, Kumar Sangakkara. Which player has taken the most catches as a fielder, non-wicket keeper, in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Rahul Dravid. Who holds the record for the fastest century in Test cricket? Correct answer is a Brendan McCullum. Who has bowled the most balls in Test cricket? Correct answer is option C, Anil Kumbli. Who was the youngest player to score a century in Test cricket? Correct answer is C, Mushtaq Mohammed. Who holds the record for the most Test matches played? Correct answer is option C, Sachin Tendulkar. Which batsman holds the record for the highest individual score in a Test match? Correct answer is a Brian Lara. Who was the first player to reach 10,000 runs in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Sunil Gavaskar. Which team holds the record for the highest team score in a Test innings? Correct answer is C, Sri Lanka. Who is the only cricketer to score 100 international centuries in Tests and ODIs combined? Correct answer is C, Sachin Tendulkar. Which wicketkeeper has the most dismissals in Test cricket? Correct answer is B, Mark Boucher. Who is the only batsman to score a century in each innings of his debut Test match? Correct answer is option A, Lawrence Rowe. Who has scored the most runs in a single calendar year in Test cricket? Correct answer is option B, Mohammad Youssef. Which cricketer holds the record for the most double centuries in Test cricket? Correct answer is option B, Kumar Sangakkara. Who was the first bowler to take all 10 wickets in a single Test innings? Correct answer is option A, Jim Laker. Which cricketer has the most ducks in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Courtney Walsh. Who has played the most consecutive Test matches? Correct answer is option A, Alistair Cook. Who holds the record for the fastest double century in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Nathan Astell. Who is the youngest cricketer to take a 5-wicket haul in a Test match? Correct answer is option B, Naseem Ghani. Which team holds the record for the lowest team total in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, South Africa. Who is the only player to have scored a century and taken 10 wickets in the same test match? Correct answer is option A, Ian Botham. Which country has played the most test matches? Correct answer is option A, England. Who is the only batsman to score centuries on debut in both innings of a test match? Correct answer is option C, Yasir Hamid. Who was the first player to hit 6 sixes in an over in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Gary Sobar. Which player scored the fastest triple century in Test cricket history? Correct answer is option A, Virender Sehwag. Who was the youngest player to score a double century in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Javed Mayandad. Which player has scored the most runs as a captain in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Graham Smith. Who was the first player to achieve 500 wickets in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Courtney Walsh. Who is the only bowler to take 4 wickets in 4 consecutive deliveries in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Wasim Akram. Who is the first cricketer to take 300 wickets and score 5,000 runs in Test cricket? Correct answer is option A, Kapil Dev. Which player was the first to hit a 6 off the first ball of a Test match? Correct answer is option B, Chris Gayle. Who scored the fastest 50 in Test cricket history? Correct answer is option B, Misbah-ul Haq. Who holds the record for the most runs in a single Test series? Correct answer is option A, Don Bradman. Which country won the first ever Test match in 1877? Correct answer is option B, Australia. Who was the first player to captain 2 different countries in Test cricket? Correct answer is option B, Kepler Wessels. Who has the most Test centuries as a wicket-keeper? Correct answer is option A, Adam Gilchrist. Which wicket-keeper holds the record for the most stumpings in Test cricket? Correct answer is option C, MS Dhoni. Who scored the slowest century in Test cricket in terms of balls faced? Correct answer is option B, Mudassir Nazar.